Hey everyone, so I am going to show you how to package your InDesign files for review. You're going to need to do this every single time we do a visual review, a progress review, and your final project. So we're going to go to Final or File down to Package, and when we package this, and this is going to be helpful in your later classes, when we package this, we're pulling together images, fonts, and everything needed. So it's a really great way to end. It's one of the reasons why we use InDesign. If you were to do this for another program, you don't have the ability to package like this. So everything that we need is clicked. We don't need this and we don't need this, so we're going to hit package. This is just some copyright stuff, and you're going to click through it. It has to do with some things, but it has done that. It's done its job. If I click over here for start, it pulled together all of my fonts, my file. This is a InDesign file that opens in any version of InDesign, while this is an InDesign file that works on the InDesign that I currently have on my computer. It has a PDF. We're not going to use that, so go ahead and delete that PDF because we're going to save a new PDF. This is what we're going to do, and the reason why we're going to do this is because InDesign has that awkward first page up here. So we're going to actually do File down to Adobe PDF Preset down to Press Quality. And we're going to call this Final. We're going to send it to our desktop, and we're going to hit Save. Now we've already got press quality here, so we are going to do 8/9 for the compatibility. And the important part here is we are going to, and this is something that's a little bit different. We are going to do pages 2 through 17 right now, but when you do your final put together, and those instructions will be coming, this will be different. Number one, you will probably have some blank pages. You'll also have a cover and a back, and those will be part of the file, but this is kind of early in. I don't expect for you to have the cover yet, but the process is the same. You would just change the number range. So again, we're deleting that first awkward page, and we're going all the way to page 17. We have 8 2-page spreads for this design. And then depending on what you're doing with this, if you're going to print, obviously you'd add crop marks, and you would add bleed 0.125. I always do it whether I know that I'm printing it out or not, because A, it's a habit, and B, it gives me options. If I don't do this, I might have to go back and save it again. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and we'll hit export, and we will see that we have our, oops, I made a mistake. It's single pages and we want double. So let's go back. We're going to go to export, press quality. This is where I made the mistake. I did not click spreads right here. That's the only thing that I didn't do. So I'm going to click crop marks. I'm going to put 0.125 and go back to general. Our range is still 2 through 7. We're going to come up here, and then we're going to export it. So this will be the right method. And so then when I double click on it, I can see I have my my crop marks, I have where it will fold, and I also have my bleed, and I have it for all 8 2-page spreads. So 16 pages total. Thank you. Bye.